Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to practically show you few changes that got introduced in Selenium 4 regarding the weighting mechanism, that is implicit weight, WebDriver weight and fluent weight changes. So let's get started. Starting from Selenium 4 or in Selenium 4, we have to use this duration dot something, okay, duration dot something for mentioning the number of seconds or something. We have to use duration dot. Now let me practically show you how this change got introduced in Selenium 4. For that, I'll first open this Eclipse IDE where we have the sample Selenium automation code for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser, and for opening this application URL in the browser, right? Now, before I open the application URL in the browser, let me implement some implicit wait mechanism in the script. For that, I'll start typing driver dot, okay, driver dot manage dot timeouts. In the old way, if I talk about the old way, we have to write like this, right? Implicitly wait. Like this, we used to write implicitly wait. Here I have to specify that units, that is 10. And what this 10 is, I have to type here time unit dot seconds. Like this, I have to type, right? The moment I put semicolon here, you see you are getting a strike off here. That means this particular thing got deprecated. Okay. So till Selenium 3, we have this implicit weight, this way of representing the implicit weight. But from Selenium 4, because now I am using Selenium 4, guys, if I go to the pom.xml file, here I have, okay, provided the dependency tags for Selenium 4. Okay, starting from Selenium 4, we cannot use implicitly weight function like this. Rather than we have to use like this implicitly weight. And in this, we have to clearly mention duration dot, okay, you can mention different things like off hours, off minutes. We generally use seconds, right? So I'm just going for seconds. Duration dot seconds, and just you have to provide the number of seconds. Okay, this is the latest way of using. This got changed in Selenium 4, guys. Okay, starting from Selenium 4. Okay, that is in Selenium 4, we have to use duration dot off seconds. So that's about the implicitly wait mechanism in Selenium 4. Now let's go with the explicit wait mechanisms like WebDriver wait and Fluent wait. So let me start creating an object for WebDriver wait. Okay, W8 is equal to new WebDriver wait. So if I hover the mouse and import this WebDriver wait and hover the mouse here, you see it's coming as deprecated because, okay, it's striked off. Okay, so I have to give something. So I generally will give the like a driver and duration. Okay, the older one till Selenium 3, we used to give like this. Okay, if I have to give some explicit wait time as 25, I used to give like this, right? WebDriver wait driver comma 25. This used to be the older format, but now this is not supported. It got deprecated. So how to change this? Simple. Okay, now we have to say, instead of giving the number of seconds directly, we have to say duration dot of seconds and give that number of seconds. Now you see the strike off gone off. Okay, this is the latest way of uh, the explicit waiting mechanism, that is WebDriver wait. Okay, starting from Selenium 4, that is in Selenium 4. Okay, we should not give the time here. We should give duration dot of seconds kind of. Okay. Okay. Now then we can use this W8 dot. The remaining structure is same. Okay. The only thing that got changed in implicit wait or explicit wait, this duration off. Okay. Duration dot off. So W8 dot wait off. The remaining statements will be same. Okay. The way we used to write in Selenium 3, the same thing. Expected conditions dot visibility of element located by, I can give some element here by dot name of, I can give some search or something. Okay, like this we can wait. Okay, so fine. W8 dot here until, guys. Okay, I'm using wait here. I have to use until. That's why I'm getting error. Wait dot until. This is a normal one, right? This is not changed. Okay, only this part got changed here. Okay, this part and this part got changed. Now let's go with the fluent wait in the same manner. So for that, I'll go to the official website of Selenium, selenium.dev. I'll go to the documentation of Selenium. I'll go to the downloads, and here I'll click on the API docs and all classes and search for the wait interface. weight interface in Selenium. And under weight interface, we have this two child implementing classes, that is Fluent Weight and WebDriver Weight. We already use WebDriver Weight here, right? This is WebDriver Weight. Now let's go with the Fluent Weight. I'll click on the Fluent Weight. So it's giving me some code, sample code. I'll copy the sample code from here and paste it here. Let it be. Import this weight, Fluent Weight. I just press Control Shift F so that it will be organized properly. Okay. So import Fluent Weight. So generally it is like this, right? Okay. Now import this web element. Import this function, google.common.base. All these things are done. Now import this no such element exception from Selenium. Done. Here you see it's not accepting the seconds, right? So it's not accepting the seconds like this. We are getting errors. So here instead of using this 30 comma seconds, we have to write duration dot of seconds of 30. Okay. Here also same thing. Okay. Duration dot of seconds. Duration dot of seconds of 5 like this. Okay. So in Selenium 4, we have to use for mentioning the number of seconds or number of hours or minutes, whatever it is, you have to use duration dot of methods. Okay, duration dot of methods in all the weighting mechanisms in Selenium. So hope guys you understood the newly introduced feature of Selenium 4 and how to mention the time, that is number of seconds or number of hours or minutes in Selenium 4 for implicit weight, explicit weighting mechanisms like WebDriver weight and Fluent weight. Okay, these are the changes guys. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye.